how to take care of your plants, vegetables in a container. If you haven't watched the last week video about how to put the cage around your plants and give them water, watch that video. And if you are a beginner to gardening or you love gardening, having fun, welcome to this channel. It's all about gardening, sharing tips and knowledge, doing it while having fun. Today we are going to give water to my plants, my vegetables and herbs today, and we are going to take a look at them and see how they are doing. It has been 3.5 weeks so far since I planted them, and they are doing so amazingly. I'm already enjoying some of the herbs, which is the basils and then the kale parsley. I've used them for stew and soups already, so that is amazing. And if you want to join this fun community of beginner gardeners, welcome and subscribe to the channel and leave any comment and a knowledge and the tips you have for us. We would love to have you. We would love to have your ideas as well. And so, my friends, let's dive right in. So I am just going to and because I don't want to waste too much time, so I'm just going to use these and then just take my water, and then I allow these to be coming up a little bit, so it will be full by the time I give them, so it will be faster for me to do this quickly. I don't have to waste too much time on this. So just gonna do this. You can see the cages are well stable on here, so just gonna do that. Now that we finished giving our vegetables and herbs water, let's take a look at how they are doing. And so this is the corn. So now that we finished giving water to our vegetables and herbs, we are going to take a look at how they are doing so far. This is the corn. It's been 3.5 weeks so far, and it's doing really well. It looks so healthy and it's coming very greenish. So that is the corn growing very well. And we are going to take a look at, this is my curled parsley. Look at how lovely full they are looking, and I've used them already for soup and stews. I do have 2 pots of the curled parsley, and so you can see them right now. After this, I'm going to make some soup, so I'm going to pluck some and chop it and put it in the soup. So that kale is doing great. Our parsley is doing very, very well. Now this is my okra. You can see it has grown a little bit more and it's coming along really nicely. There is 2 seeds that I planted in here and they are doing well. And this is my basil. I actually plucked quite a few of them so far, and it's lovely, growing bigger and smells so good. And this is the other one of the basil, Italian basil. This is my onion. You can see it is growing. You can see from there it's getting bigger and bigger and it's doing well. I even plucked some of these. You can see that one there and put it in my soup, so that is lovely. And this is the other one of the onions. You can see how lovely full they look already. This cage is going to help them a lot to stay in place. Now this is my hot pepper. It's also starting to make flower already here. You can see all of them are coming, a lot of them. Something came and plucked this off. I don't know what it is, but it started growing up again. Now this is my Anaheim chili. You can see it has really made pepper already. Over there you can see from there. So that is lovely. There's a lot of eyes coming out, a lot of flowers it's going to be making. And this is the other Anaheim as well. It's also making a lot of eyes, I can see here. This is my other hot pepper. You see the flowers already? It's coming along. And this is the other one as well. Look at the flowers. It's going to be a lot of peppers coming out. And this is my Hungarian semi-hot pepper. It started, see the pepper is coming out. That's the flowers are making more pepper. And this is the second one of the Hungarian pepper. This is the hot block pepper. The same as this one. You can see the flower already. Now these are the tomatoes. This is the pink girl tomato. I do not see any flowers yet on them. And this is another one, the pink girl tomato. This is Chef Choice orange tomato and it started making flowers already. And this is the second one of that as well. No flowers yet. This is Roma tomato. I have not seen anything. I think it's making something little, but nothing really much yet on the Roma tomato. And this is another one of the Roma tomato. You can see they are not developing that much. They are growing, but I think that's how they are. They are not like spreading or too many leaves yet. This is the brand wine tomato, and those have started making flowers already, and it's growing bigger as well. And this is also a brand wine tomato. This one has actually grown so far, it developed so much quickly, and then it's making more flowers than the rest of the tomatoes. So the brand wine tomato, both of them have flowers on them so far, so that is good thing. So this is the yam, Ghanaian yam that I planted. It's my first time planting it. Nothing has happened to it yet. It's been, I would say, probably almost 3 weeks now. So we're just gonna keep an eye on it and see if it's gonna do anything or not. And the last but not the least is my collard greens. This is Ghanaian collard greens. I think I planted about 6 or 7 seeds in here, just making sure that they will grow. So far I can only see 2. So this is one and this is another one. Oh, there is another one also coming out. You can see right there. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna leave them. Oh, there is one too coming out from here. So they are coming out. So I'm just gonna give it time for them to grow, and it's gonna be lovely. It just get me excited to see that they are all doing well. You can see them right there. This one. That's lovely, amazing. So if you have not started planting anything yet, there is still time. We are in June. There is time to plant anything you want now. And so if you are thinking of it, do you want to do it? Don't you want to do it? I mean, it's fun. So go ahead, get some container, get 1 pot of soil, any soil, and then just plant some tomato or onions. Just go, or peppers, just go to the markets. There are some stores that already have plants, and you just buy them. Don't do the seed. Normally I don't do seed. I just buy the already grown and replant them, and that's most of them. That's what these are. And you can see the ones that I already planted seed, you see them, and the one that I just replant, and they do amazingly. That takes all the hard work out of it and makes your life so easy. And so that's it. I just show you 27 of my planted vegetables and herbs, and I hope this inspire you to start growing something. You know, I love gardening because that's what we do. We do a lot of farming back in Ghana, and that's what sticks with me. I like to grow my own produce or fruits and vegetables if I can. And so if the chance or the weather, the season has come for summer, I take advantage of it to grow something. Even if it is very late during planting season, I always do something just to keep me happy. So I hope this video has been inspiration to you. It's never too late to start planting something at your garden, at backyard, in a container. Do container. Don't do gardening if that will be hard work for you. So if you want to join this lovely, happy gardening family, subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, if you have any tips that we can use to grow our vegetables and plants, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you want to see how I put the cage and then water my plant in last week, let me show you in that video, and let's dive right in. See you.